Salut mes étudiants! Je m'appelle Sniti, je suis the professeur de français, and today we are going to start with another interesting topic of Apprenons le français part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. So today we are going to start reading with the 8th lesson, that is La Famille de Manuel, and let's get going. And here we are at the first page of the 8th lesson, that is La Famille de Manuel. It means the family of Manuel. And as you can guess from the chapter's name only, in this chapter we are going to learn how to write a short paragraph about our family describing all of the persons. And then we are going to learn about our all-time favorite, the ER verbs. So let's get going with the first segment. We have the photo of the family of Manuel, that is, c'est la photo de ma famille. It means this is the photo of my family. Then we have the paragraph here, and let us read it out quickly. Mon grand-père s'appelle Monsieur Charles Laving. Il a 77 ans. Il parle 4 langues. Il est adorable. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Madame François Laving. Elle a 70 ans. Elle aime la musique, elle est sympathique. So the meaning of the first paragraph is that my grandfather's name is Monsieur Charles Laving, Mr. Charles Laving. He is 77 years old. He can speak 4 languages. He is adorable. Then comes the grandmother, that is, my grandmother's name is Mrs. François Laving. She is 70-year-old. She loves the music and she is sympathetic. Then let us read the second paragraph, that is, Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Laving. Il a 45 ans. Then we have Il aime le football. Il est très intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Véronique Laving. Elle est 40 ans. Elle aime le théâtre. Elle est jolie. So the meaning of the second paragraph is that my father's name is Mr. Patrick Laving. He is 45 years old. He loves the football. He is very intelligent. My mother's name is Mrs. Veronique Laving. She is 40-year-old and she loves theatre. She is jolly. And jolie can also mean pretty. So this sentence can also mean like she is pretty. Then we have the third paragraph, that is, it is Mon frère s'appelle Denis Laving. Il a 16 ans. Il aime le rugby. Il est beau. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Laving. Elle a 8 ans. Elle aime la glace. Elle est petite. Et c'est moi avec mes grands-parents. So in the third paragraph, he explained about his sibling. My brother's name is Denis Laving. He is 16-year-old and he loves rugby. He is handsome. Then we have his sister, that is, my sister's name is Catherine Laving. She is 8-year-old and she loves the ice cream. She is small. And then we have the last sentence, which is a pretty good ending for this paragraph, that is, c'est moi avec mes grands-parents. And this is me with my grandparents. So the basic structure of this paragraph was that he explained each and every person in 4 to 5 lines in short sentences that would help us to know each of them better. In the first paragraph, he told about his grandparents. In the second paragraph, he told about his parents. And in the third paragraph, he told about his siblings. So you can also do it in the same way, or you can also explain about your parents, then your siblings, and then you can tell how do you like to live with each other. So now here we have the question and answers from the comprehension, that is, dite, vrai or faux. It means tell if it's true or false. So we'll read the sentences one by one. Le père de Patrick a 67 ans. The father of Patrick is 67 years old. So the father of Patrick is Monsieur Charles Laving and he is 77 years old, not 67. So this is faux. Then we have the second one, that is Le fils de Charles aime le football. The son of Charles loves football. So Monsieur Charles Laving is the grandfather and his son would be Mr. Patrick Laving. So he loves football. Il aime le football, it is said here. Then this sentence is vrai. La grand-mère de Denise aime le théâtre. So the grandmother of Denise and Manuel, as they are siblings, loves the theater. But here it is said that elle aime la musique. So she loves music. But the mother of both of them loves theater. So therefore this sentence is for. Elle a 70 ans. It means she is 70 years old. And well, yes, she is 70 years old. It is written. So this sentence is vrai. It means true. Then we have the fifth one, that is le frère de Catherine s'appelle Denis. The brother of Catherine's name is Denis. So the brother of Catherine and Manuel would be Denis, as written here, as both of them are siblings. So yes, this sentence is true, which is vrai. Now let us go on to the next page. Here we have the question number 2 from the comprehension, that is comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? Quel âge a-t-il? It means what is the name of the father of Manuel and what is his age? So the answer for this question is le père de Manuel s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Laving. Il a 45 ans. Then we have décrire la sœur de Manuel. It means describe the sister of Manuel. So la sœur de Manuel s'appelle Catherine Laving. Elle a 8 ans. Elle aime la glace. Elle est petite et elle est jolie. So this was the description of the sœur of Manuel, the sister of Manuel. And here we have done the Q&A related to the comprehension. Now we are going to see the family tree, in which there are 3 sections for the grandparents, the parents and the children. So let us read them. So the name of the family tree in French is l'arbre de famille. In the first section we have les grands-parents, which are the grandparents. Le grand-père is the grandfather and la grand-mère is the grandmother. Then we have les parents, which are the parents, in which we first have le père, which is the father, and la mère, which is the mother. The father in short form can be called as papa and la mère can be called as maman. Then we have les petits enfants, which are the grandchildren, in which we first have le petit fils, which is the grandson, and la petite fille, which is the granddaughter. So the grandchildren can also be called as the children, les enfants. The son can be called as le fille, and we have the daughter, which is la fille. The son can be a brother, which is le frère, and the daughter can be a sister, which is la sœur. So here we have completed with the introductory part of the lesson number 8, in which we got to know how to introduce our families in a short paragraph. Then we saw the family tree, and now we are going to come to the second most important topic of not only this chapter but of the whole book, which is the verb ending in er. So les verbes en er. All the verbs ending in er except ale come in this group. All the regular verbs ending in er are conjugated in the same manner. The present tense of all regular er verb is conjugated by removing the er ending of the infinitive and replacing it with e, es, ons, ez, ent to the radical of the verb. So this was all the paragraph form, and now I am going to explain it to you one by one. So let's see it. Firstly, we have the fact that which verbs comes in this group. So all the verb ending in er comes to this group, but except for ale. Ale also end in er, but it is an irregular verb. So firstly, before reading anything or understanding them, we need to understand what is an infinitive and what is an radical. So let us take parler, an French verb which ends in er. So if we see to its spelling, P-A-R-L-E-R. So in this, it ends in er, so it is a er verb. And the radical is the part in which the er ending is taken out and only the left out spelling is there, that is P-A-R-L. So therefore, how are these conjugated? All the regular verbs are conjugated in the same manner, and they are conjugated by removing the er ending, in which from the infinitive we remove the er ending and the radical is left. To the radical we add the endings of e, es, ons, ez, ent to the radical of the verb. So that is how we understand that how these verbs are conjugated. Now let us see to two of the examples of these verbs and all the other verbs ending in er. Firstly we have is the verb aimer, which means to like or to love. So in the singular form we have it as j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. Nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment and elles aiment are in plural. So j'aime means I like, tu aimes means you like, il aime means he likes, elle aime means she likes. Then we have it in plural, nous aimons, it means we like, vous aimez, it means you like, and ils aiment, elles aiment both mean same, that they like, but just the difference is that is ils comes for masculine and elles comes for feminine. So you all might be wondering that why the endings are colored in the red. So in this, if we see to the spelling, it is aimer, ma, it means to love or to like. So in ma, er ending is removed from its infinitive, the radical is left, that is aim, and to this we have j'aime, e is added, then tu aimes, e and s is added, and then il and l, e is added. Then we have nous aimons, in which ons is added as written here. Then we have vous aimez, in which ez is added, and ils aiment and elles aiment, ent is added. So now we understood it all theoretically in the first example, and let us likewise read the second example, that is of the verb parler. We also saw the example of the infinitive and radical. Now it means to speak. The singular form we have is je parle, it means I speak, tu parles, you speak, il parle, he speak, elle parle, she speaks. Then we have it in plural, that is nous parlons, we speak, vous parlez, you speak, ils parlons, they speak, and elles parlons, they speak. Both means the same, that is they speak, just the difference is that ils and elles, in which ils is used for masculine and elles is used for feminine. Then we have the last thing in this topic, that is the more er ending word. Example of more er ending verb. First we have détester, it means to hate, detest. Then we have adorer, it means to adore. Chanter, to sing. Regarder, to look at. Then we have the next verb, that is arriver, it means to arrive. Then we have dessiner, to draw. Étudier, to study. Compter, to count. So here we have completed the topic, both the important topics of this chapter, and now we will be going to our all-time favorite, après notable, which is let us learn. So the first word in it is la famille, it means family, le cousin, cousin, les enfants, children, la fille, daughter, le fille, son, la grand-mère, grandmother, la grand-père, grandfather. Then we have les grands-parents, grandparents, la mère, mother, le neveu, nephew. Then we have the next one, that is la niece, it means niece, l'oncle, uncle, les parents means parents, le père, father, le petit-fils, grandson, la petite-fille, granddaughter, les petits-enfants, grandchildren, la tante, aunt. Then we have the next table, that is adorable, is the first one here, first word here, that means adorable. Then we have a verb, that is aimer, it means to like or to love. Then we have the next word, that is avec, it means with. And then we have the name of two sports, that is cricket and football, and let us read them in French. Le cricket. Then we have the next word, that is le football, it means football. Then we have la glace, it means ice cream. Habiter means to live, it is an er verb. La langue means language. La maison means house. Moi means me. Mon means my, it is in masculine. whenever we are using a person's name in masculine, then mo will come, like my father is there, so we'll say mo père. But if there is my mother, so we won't use it as mo mère, we would use it like ma mère. My, it also means my, but it is in feminine. Then we have the next word, that is mes. It means my and it is in plural. So if we are using parents, both mother and father, so it would be mes parents. Then we have the next word, which is la musique. It means music. Parler means to speak. It is a verb, er ending verb. And then we have s'appelle. It means to call oneself. Then we have the next one, that is le théâtre. It means theatre. So here we have done with the chapter. We have completed it successfully. I hope that you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And we'll meet in the next video of the master key and the Q&A of this chapter, and we'll master it with such an easiness. So bye bye and love you guys.